Trends. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Trends, unique saws. Discover viral breakout trends in seconds. Curate and monetize the best content. Send direct to your blog. Editing suite. Theme included for new builds or link existing blogs and much more. Demo video. https://vimeo.com/3300400515. What is Trends? Think of a well-known software platform beginning with Buzz and ending with Sumo. Now imagine if you had access to a software which did a very similar thing, but in a slightly different way, and with added capabilities. E.g., it finds you the most powerful, most shared viral content, trends and breakouts based on your keyword. It shows you related phrases based on the viral content you are interested in, enabling you to rank organically, quickly and easily. Oh, and what about if that software gave you the option to monetize any content you choose to curate, so you have the potential to profit from all content, even though you didn't actually produce the content? And then it gave you two killer options. 1. Build deploy, trend-specific targeted monetized blogs from curated content. 2. Plug your existing blogs into the saws and post curated and monetized content from one. Trends summary. Trends, saws, search, discover, monetize and curate. Discover breakout content in seconds which user can monetize and use instantly. Content through API, not scraped. Simple filter options enable user to quickly drill down on results. Instant trending content for WP blogs. User can add existing and new blogs, which they own, to trends and post new monetized, curated content direct from trends to their blogs. Social media share from saws, Facebook and Twitter. And many more features. Please see demo video below. Low-hanging fruit is back. One-click search for trending sub-niches and content based on broad keyword input. Instantly discover content phrase-related long-tail keywords. One-click related product monetization on any content, in any niche. Content editor with related monetization choice, or one-click post to blog. Included monetization platforms, Amazon and Walmart, both included in the FA. Post management and software training videos. Find breakout trending phrases, sub-niches and content quickly and with as little effort or tech as possible. Keep things white hat by using one major feed API instead of scraping. No Trends does not scrape content. Enable users to link their blogs to their trends - for seamless and instant post to blog. Enable users to instantly monetize any content they choose to use with related products containing their affiliate links. And that's exactly what Trends does. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.